obtained probable cause through the investigation while working with the district attorney's office, which led to their arrest for murder late last night. We are still, again, putting together pieces and facts of the case. Investigators are currently working at this time. Both of those individuals are being held at this time at the Cullman County Detention Center, where they are waiting to see a judge with regards to a bond. I know those details are very limited, but that's what we can tell you at this time.
Are you able to confirm that Andrew Marsh was roommates with Daniel when Hartselle?
What I can confirm is that they had a relationship as far as friends, and they were known associates together.
Along with Tyler, or was?
Yes, they were all friends.
Can you tell us if there was, like, what the big break in the case was for you to lead to the arrest?
It's just hard work and effort by the investigators of Hartselle Police Department and the Cullman County Sheriff's Office. You know, in any kind of incident, you have to be relentless, be out in the community, talking with people, gathering evidence, following leads, and that's what those investigators have been doing for the last 2 months.
I think the thing that everybody in Hartselle's asking is why.
You know, in any situation, I think it's with life in general. And again, I can't get into the specifics of this case, but it's all about decisions. One of the things, these individuals are very young, 19 and 20 years old, and it comes down to making the right decision. I think in society today, our youth are numb to decision making. They're numb to what life is really, the reality of life. And the biggest thing that I can tell youth is we need good leaders, we need good leadership, and we need good decision making. And if you do that, then life is a lot better.
Are you able to talk about how exactly did he die? I'm not sure.
No, we can't go over the specifics of that at this time. There is an autopsy being conducted at this time.
Do we know how long he was there for?
We do believe that you know, the individuals and the victim have been missing for a couple months. I think since the 1st of February.
So he was missing since February, but is it determined on when the murder actually took place?
Those will, you know, we have some details and facts of that. Again, with it being ongoing, we can't release those at this time. So,
Sheriff, can you discuss how you discovered the body and what factors led to the discovery?
Sure. To not get into the specifics, but I can give you some details. We had a general location that we had learned, you know, through our investigation, which led those investigators with Hartselle Police Department and the Cullman County Sheriff's Office to a location. And once we got there, then we started looking and digging into the details of what was told and what we had learned, and were able to discover the body.
Are you able to talk about the Chevy Impala? I know his car that went missing, just the details and the meaning behind that. And I know it was found shredded in an auto shop. I don't know if that has something to do with his death, or is that confirmed yet?
No,
The
vehicle was found in Cullman County. So,
can you talk about at what point, I know Hartselle PD put out the notice last month that they were really looking for Mr. Osborne. Had you been in conversations with them already about the case, or at what point did they sort of team up and get your officers involved?
pretty much immediately, the suspects and victims in the case were known. The victim was known to travel from Morgan County to Cullman County with vehicles being found in Cullman County. We knew there was a connection. So almost immediately, those investigators were reaching out, and we were working together.
I guess being, as you said, I guess being 20 miles down the road and knowing the relationship and the pattern, I guess, back and forth, your offices, have they known to collaborate and sort of team up on investigations in the past like this?
Yes, you know, for me in law enforcement, one of the things that promotes anything in the community is teamwork. We believe here in Cullman County that we have a great relationship with our community, and it's based on teamwork. And we try to portray the same in law enforcement. You know, if any county needs help or we need help, we like to work together, because our main goal is to bring justice for victims in our community, and working together is how you do that. You know, have a great day. Thank y'all.
Yeah.